For centuries, the Star of Bethlehem has been a profound mystery. But could an ancient text hold the key to solving this biblical enigma? Many researchers have tried to connect the biblical description of the Star of Bethlehem to a real astronomical event. Join us as we explore a compelling new study that suggests an ancient comet is the answer. The Star of Bethlehem is described as a bright celestial body that led the Magi to Jesus after his birth. Its unique behavior, however, has long puzzled astronomers and historians. The biggest challenge in identifying the Star of Bethlehem is explaining its highly unusual movement, often described as, quote, nonsensical for typical celestial objects. The biblical text in question comes from the book of Matthew, detailing the Magi's journey and the star that guided them. Matthew states the star went before them, guiding their short journey to Bethlehem from Jerusalem. Critically, the text describes the star reaching a position over the town where its motion came to a noticeable stop, coincident with the Magi's arrival. This stopping motion is the central puzzle. What could possibly explain this celestial behavior? Typically, astronomical objects rise in the east and set in the west due to Earth's rotation. They don't simply pause overhead. This led to three main theories. The story is a myth, it was a miracle, or there's a rare but natural astronomical event that can explain the motion. Researchers explored the idea of an object being in, quote, temporary geosynchronous motion with Earth, which could make it appear motionless in the sky for a short period. A comet is the best candidate for this. Previous comet suggestions like Halley's didn't fit the timeline. A new study looked beyond typical records, searching for historical events around the time of Jesus' birth. The researchers meticulously searched historical documents to find mentions of any observed astronomical events during the estimated time frame. A passage in the ancient Chinese text, Han Shu, mentioned a, quote, broom star, a term for a comet, observed in the second month of the second year. This observation corresponds to March 9th to April 6th, 5 BCE. This timing falls perfectly within the estimated window for Jesus' birth and the reign of King Herod. To test the theory, the researchers conducted numerical modeling and simulations to generate possible comet orbits that would fit the observations. The modeling showed that this specific comet could have passed close enough to Earth in June of 5 BCE to exhibit the required temporary geosynchronous motion. The best fit orbit simulation revealed that the comet would have appeared nearly stationary over Bethlehem for about 2 hours, matching the biblical description of the star standing over the child. This study conclusively shows that a natural astronomical event could explain the Star of Bethlehem, making it no longer justifiable to claim that no astronomical event could possibly have behaved in the described manner.